Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing for the month of November. This was a pretty exciting box. I haven't had a chance to get my thoughts too much on them, but when I was putting the box together in the choice, I got pretty excited. But let's just go ahead and start with a couple of items that they picked for me. They're my two power picks. So if you are new to Boxycharm, it is a beauty subscription box. They're under Ipsy. There's a couple different boxes. I just get the Boxycharm, just like the base box one. But I'll go ahead and leave information linked down below. But you get two power picks and then three items that you pick on your own. But starting with the first power pick is the Ailene Destino palette. So this one's a little bit tricky. I accidentally broke it, but it comes with a lock, so you unlock it. And that's where I broke it trying to open it. But all in all, when I was playing around with this palette this morning, I liked it. I think the shimmers are pretty. I got an Ailene palette, I want to say a year or two ago in Boxycharm, and I really liked it. I don't think it's anything spectacular. This is only the second palette I have from them, but I mean, I enjoy it. I feel like this lock is a little gimmicky. It's kind of fun, but again, if you don't know or think to do that, you're gonna break the palette. But again, I am enjoying it. Oh, and I will go ahead and leave retail values on the screen, as well as at the end I'll leave the total retail value of the box. I think they told me it was like around $165 or something. But the second power pick I got was a OC Ocean Eyes. This is the first item I've tried from OC. I've been wanting to try them. They've been on my radar to try them. And I mean, all in all, it feels really good. It comes with a roller ball. However, you have to be careful because this little topper might pop off, so be careful when you open it. So that doesn't feel very secure, so now I'm always having to check it and pop it back in. But the little roller ball feels so nice, feels so cooling on the skin. I like the way it feels putting it on. I kind of feel a little bit bougie wearing this, but I love it when I can get a good under eye serum in my boxes. I love getting skincare in these. And then we've got my three picks for the month. So the last makeup item I got was the Lovecraft Beauty. It's their lip liner. It's an angled lip liner, which I feel like is very nice. The color of this is like my exact shade of lips. I was putting it on this morning and I'm like, why isn't it showing up? And it's because it is literally my lip shade, and it comes with a little brush here to blend it out, which I really like. So far I'm liking this. I think it'll be great for when I just want to line my lips a natural lip color, just to kind of help the lip stick out a little bit. The last two items I got were from Drunk Elephant. I got their glossing shampoo as well as their mega moisturizing hair mask. Drunk Elephant has been on my radar to try for so long, and I just haven't done it yet, and I am so excited to get two nice high-end hair products. I've been wanting to try more hair products, so I usually use Boxycharm as a way to get them for a good deal. So I really can't wait to try these out. I got so excited when I saw that these were choice options for the month. Anyway, that's everything I got in the box. Again, I will leave all the price points up on the screen, but if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.